YouTube. Do you want free traffic? I mean, good quality traffic, the kind that actually buys stuff from you? If so, this is going to blow your mind when I tell you all about Abracadabra. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, I know you know already, you can skip ahead. Feel free to go ahead and do so. After all, my jokes are as stale as well. Listening to yet another political speech which does nothing, says nothing. All we really want to see is the end to all the violence and all the craziness. But anyhow, sorry. So, the way things work here is that I review software and info products to make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Really, Bart? Every day? Every day? Do you have any idea how irritating that guy is? All the time. Yakety, 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 yakety. You'd think he was shut up already. But no. He keeps going every single day. Maybe he's complaining about my shirt. That's what it is. I just took a shower and I got a nice clean shirt on. He's complaining that my collar isn't right. Is that what it is, Bart? Is that what you want? So, the way things work here, if I like a Bart, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on volume mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. She's such a sweetheart. I love Liz. Isn't she a sweetheart? Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Obliterate it. Hit the bell icon because, frankly, subscribers, it really doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Bernadette, it's not quite the same thing, but okay, I'll allow it. Anyway, but seriously, so Abracadabra is a brand new piece of software. Basically, what the software does is it allows you to automate the process of driving traffic off of Facebook. And unlike, I could give you a course on driving traffic off of Facebook. As a matter of fact, as part of my bonuses, we're going to talk about this in a second. But unlike a course, this does it all for you. It's all automated. It's very, very easy. I'll show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to tell you about my bonuses, though. So first and foremost, this is going to show you how to automate traffic off of pages. I'm going to give you my course. It's part of my video, actually. It's part of my upcoming course, Email Success Secrets. It's going to be about how to create a buyer's list off of Facebook groups. It's a really cool method, which actually does work quite well. And for both of these things, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to give something away and that's quite valuable. So what I'm going to give you is the right to give away my very own product called Durable. Plus, when you give it away, if anybody who you give it away to actually buys an upgrade, you're going to get 50% commissions on all the upgrades that they purchase. There's like 5 upgrades. So you can make hundreds of dollars from each person that you send through, and it's all free traffic. So it's literally money in your pocket. Okay, I usually don't let people do this. When I do this, I keep understanding the commissions, but this is a special thing I'm offering only to people who pick up Abracadabra from me. In addition to this, you're going to want some materials that you can go ahead and put inside of your Facebook pages and stuff. Now, Abracadabra is going to have a piece of software that's going to let you basically take an article that's already written, change it up so it looks unique, and you can go ahead and paste that into your own pages. You're going to want to fix it a little bit. I'll show you in a minute just what the software is and everything. But you're still going to need the content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 15,000 articles that you can go ahead and paste into there. You can even just use them as is, to be perfectly honest, because it's not a matter of SEO. So you can just use them as is on your pages. If you find an article that's good, just go ahead and paste it and use it as it is, or change it up a little bit on your own, whatever you want to do. I'm also going to give you a month's worth of inspirational quote graphics that you can put in, as well as 20 ready-made inspirational quote videos that you can put in. Okay, and on top of all those things, I've also got a whole bunch of bonuses for you that are actually from the vendor. So first of all, I'm going to give you Affiliate List Pro. I think that's pretty useful if you're going to go ahead and buy a course on building an email list. You want something about email list building. Okay, you're also going to get push-click commissions. Okay, you're going to get the rapid income email software. You're going to get iTraffic X, which is a really cool piece of software. I actually own a copy. It's very, very nicely done. And finally, I'm going to give you the rapid income fast funnels. Now, on top of all those things, if you pick up any upgrade, I've got a massive amount of other stuff. I got a huge software package for you. Okay, I've also got Build Your Tribe. I've got WP Squeeze Question. I've got rapid income fast funnels. I've got $10 traffic. I got social boost. I got buyer funnel. Okay, and I've got the Evergreen Commission Machine. Plus, I'm going to give you my own mega list building course. If you pick up any two upgrades, then in addition to all those things, what I'm also going to give you is a shout out to my Instagram followers. There's over 7,000 followers. You're going to get a shout out to my Instagram followers. You can point that traffic to anything you like. Pick up any 3 upgrades, and in addition to the shout out, you're also going to be getting an SEO campaign, which will spread links all over the web in order to push traffic to your offer. So it's a really, really nice package that you're going to be able to get. So go ahead and check this out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area now real quick. Okay, so what you have here is basically going to be your creator software, which is basically going to be software that's going to allow you to create ready-made Facebook pages. You have the URL shortener, you have the article rewriter. Basically what the software is going to do for you is allow you to go ahead and rewrite the articles that you're going to get with the 15,000 package that I'm going to give you. You have the graphic editor, basically allows you to create graphics, so you're going to get ready-made graphics that you don't have to bother with this. And you can also create landing pages, which is really, really quick. Create landing pages that you can actually use inside of the software so that you don't have to do any work. So it's all done for you. They do have a bunch of upgrades. I think it's a bit excessive with the number of upgrades that they have, to be perfectly honest. One of the things I don't like about this, but other than that, let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt, the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.